Yes, so what up, my people? It's your boy, your brother Sunday, aka Sugar Boy. See, make I knock this one sharply, make it for not cause quarrel. You ain't go the heavy people when go say people they do video till they show up. People they snap picture, they people for Facebook till they show up. Or by me, nobody they won't show up. Now your mindset and the dirty heart when you get, I make you they think all those kind of things. Change your ways. Celebrate people so that may they celebrate you. That time when you take sit down, they think about people picture when they post when make you no want sleep. So if you use that time to think well, take focus, obey me, you go make am. Celebrate people when they celebrate you. If you see person buy motor, they flash and they celebrate and celebrate with them. If you see person build house, say that they celebrate and celebrate with them. If you see person buy land, say that they celebrate and obey me, celebrate with them. So that make people feel say you don't buy it too. It's like that packaging. That packaging wey dey talk like people talk the way. They just give deaf name normally, make dem for not feel say they not give am name. Not be say if you call am, e go hear. Cockroach ready to dance o, and fowl na in ten tion and when make am kpọnkpe.
This world can be something.
Olomo be opoa yo. No food for lazy man, not be for person when the mama get buka. But me focus o. You, my friend, trekking angel. You say your name na trekking angel. Bravo. You want man be like say you dey try for the industry. I dey watch your video, I dey share your video most time. But only fuck up when you don't fuck up right now. Na for you to go throw mat, they go meet real worry pikin. Head the big pass conco. Real worry pikin na sister for where you dey. If you be boy when get respect, normally na sister you suppose to really call real worry pikin. Real worry pikin not be your mate. You dey hear me? Because right now everybody dey jump now. Even if Smally now no know sister, Smally no know brother again. Everybody dey raise shoulder. Bring your shoulder down, make dem raise you. If you want to jump, one is your one leg, take dey compare people 3 leg. Una worry take act the kind act normally. Na one kporoko time. Dem go pay you, pay fine, wey dem release you with many torturing. Say real worry pikin dey use your lyrics. Say hey God, say na your lyrics. So even for dream, say you dey dream normally. They come tell you for dream say real worry pikin dey use your lyrics. You no go wake up, go consult oracle say na lie.
You think
So na
say
you
they
get
wise?
lyrics pass worry now.
Mumu man.
When you know say worry na we be lyrics. We go take lyrics for different places. We come miss am. We come miss am, we come launch am. If we launch am, if you hear am, you go shop am well. You go say, man, these people get maths. You say they take your lyrics. Say me real worry pikin come call you, come appreciate you, come acknowledge you. They craze so where you. I know say you don't fuck up, sha. Not be your clear IT talker. Maybe you don't bully. If your eye don't clear, you go apologize for that word when you talk. Make you get sense. You be Smally when they try for the industry, but me you not go carry jump. They hear so. And for the Fulani dem when we say una strike, say una no wan bring food again. Where you? The time when groundnut never dey, nobody dey eat groundnut o. Normally una things wey we dey eat na what to do. If say una wan seize una food where you? Pikin wey say make mama no sleep e no dey sleep too. Dem go roti for una hand. Una too una go feel am. You see this senior bra so, e don vex come outside. You dey see crap when e bring come outside. See crap, say buckish like say na cow. Where you una hold una cow. Because who dey sell cow, dey feel say who dey sell fowl no dey get gain. Where you una hold una cow, we dey okay with our gbegere. We go eat am, we go buckish well. Very anyhow human being there. Who does that? The life, it go make you bring your body down, God go raise you go up. But if you say you too much, based on your little one, you know they see, say you want to raise your body anyhow, they'll come fold you, they'll size you well. Yes, now. Recently, I got the one road with one of my guys. We all did normally the reason. I got see one Oshire, the Oshire phone 4. The guy man see the phone, I pick the phone, they call the babe. Where you? Hey, your phone 4, babe. The babe look the girl like they ain't plaster. Based on pride. And guy man normally they call her, not be say one spinner more. They call her and say your phone 4. But based on say the babe they bugana, you know want bring the mind down. Too much of pride. Now the guy man leave the phone. The guy man not pick her. They call her, the guy see they run, they follow her, they call her and say, where you? Your phone 4, babe. Before the babe turn, he don't walk out far well. Now the guy man call her, say, where you? They call her, they call you, I don't want to spin you. And your phone when it fall. Like maybe they call you. Where the phone and you pick up for me? And the guy tell us, I not pick up your phone 4. Like 3-4 posts now. And the phone take 4. Go make you go pick your phone. Before you reach the dirty phone.
How far do we have this?
Until they tell you how the babes. They not tell you say not doing that, but use your headquarter. Rubbish. They tell you now when the babes they normally say where you. The real name when they give you, the day when they born you, they use that name they go. Name when they see say they follow person, they carry blessing, they follow person. When they born you that year, they give you name. Say your name na Sandra. I call your name and Sandra they give you. I will drop late to that day. But because God is sorry for you, you don't pass Libya, enter Europe. Now you change your name to big money spender. And they check your account. Money when they sign all is 100 euro. You say you be big money spender. Okay, right now, angel don't carry blessing come. God sorry for you, now God won't bless you normally. They carry your blessing come and they reach your door. They see for your bed, say you right big money spender. Angel confused. And the blessing when they carry come normally, the name when they put for the list different. They reach they see big money spender. Angel don't carry your blessing, go give another person. You say God na partial. You don't go get sense. Your real name when they give you, you not feel use them. You be big money spender. When are they bring on our mind down?
I hear me,
What be a problem? Oh wow. Women are not confused.
Hey God, that bust. Real worry picking. You steal my slogan. You steal my rhymes without acknowledging me, without even giving me credit. That word you are using, a God, it don't bust. Now me get her. Now me, the tricky agent. Now me get her. She be na see what people they do for inside Nigeria. She be na the see her now. She be na the see her now. The one picking carry my whole slogan now to the trend for himself. Without even giving me kudos. Now me get her. Hey God, it don't bust, it don't cut. It don't red, oh mama, it don't red, oh. She be na the see what they happen for inside the go now. Real worry picking comedy, real worry picking, you steal my slogan, you steal my slogan. Real worry picking, in fact, give me your address. Make I come knock for your door. Make I ask you the reason why you go steal my slogan. Why? Without acknowledging me, without even giving me credit. This is not good. Nigerians. She be na see what it happen now. She be na see her. Comedian real worry picking. They steal my slogan. They steal the thief for crow. Wait. It don't bust. Hey God, it don't bust. Now me get on. Now my slogan be that. I don't say make anybody don't use her. If you use her, acknowledge me. Acknowledge me. Give me credit for using my slogan. You cannot use my slogan to trade for yourself. Call a form as if say that you get her. Make una go check her. Everything what they do now, it don't bust. Hey God, every day they bust for inside war. She be like see what they happen. That what comedian real worry picky they do. She be like they see her. Comedian real worry picky.
Area, you don't bust. Hey God, you don't bust. I say, if I hear him, I'm gonna talk to area where they play. I'm gonna get the real worry picky. Get one vital while I bust. Major update. Where you are for this life, get the kind of time say you need to observe table manners. Observe table manners. You know why? Not every time you dey shop, you need to talk. People already come off food for your mouth. Observe table manners. As you dey shop quiet. The time when you go talk go come. Everything accurate. Hey God, that bust.
Topu Hausa people will say tango carry water na nama say no go sell no concern us. For Baza states we are from come. Different now to stop. Inside the sea, the river, the creek. God bless us well. I see this one and a crap. And you know I go cook up. Use a drink or even use a cocoa plantain. Cooking even a ras of a tom palafu. Some to hell with a mama a cow. A man go to hell with a cow. God bless us so we're gonna fear God. I live us. Who's gonna know that, bra?